गोवन वार्ता लाईव्हचं यूट्यूब चॅनल सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबून लेटेस्ट व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा।
विधानसभा अधिवेशनाच्या पहिल्या दिवसाच्या पहिल्याच सत्राचं कामकाज अगदी वादळी पाहायला मिळालं। यावेळी पहिल्या अर्ध्या तासातच सभागृहाचं कामकाज तहकूब करण्याची वेळ सभापतींवरती आली। नेमका विरोधकांनी कसा आक्रमक पवित्रा यावेळी घेतला होता आपण पाहूयात।
लास्ट असेंब्लीसान 2-3 असेंब्ली जाले पोस्टपोन जायरा। आय विल टेल यू why I am raising this issue. इंतू आमी इतली इतली कुमदादेंत इतली इश्यू आहाय आनी इतली स्कॅम आहाय म्हणून आमी काडीत आहा इश्यू। हो इश्यूआंत एक इश्यू आमी काडलो when Rohan was the minister. तेन्ना रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर आहा तेन्ना तो आतां हें जाला। इट इज अ कन्फर्म
क्वेश्चन आशिल्लो ऑन कोविड डेथ्स इन गोवा ताचो रिप्लाय आतापर्यंत ना आणि यू आर नॉट इवन पोस्टपोन्ड इट। एक
one thing
स्पीकर सर
regarding honorable opposition leader health minister Vishal has given the letter that he is unwell and he is not going to attend the session, so he requested to postpone the question.
If health minister is not there, government is chief minister, let him answer.
स्पीकर सर you are not replied given me anything till today.
रिप्लाय दिवना 2 दिसाची सेशन मागयला तोही तुम्ही रिप्लाय दिना।
You are not even postponed.
तर सीएम सांगता व्हॉल्यूमनस, सीएमाक कशें कळ्ळें व्हॉल्यूमनस म्हणून?
Should you order ruling of me?
We want his reply.
Can I give the ruling?
आमका रिप्लाय जाय।
Can I give the ruling?
आमका रिप्लाय दिस स्पीकर सर। असेंब्ली कित्याक मागयता असेंब्ली?
See, the concerned minister has requested to postpone the question.
I am not talking about one health department, I am talking about revenue department, I am talking about
I am giving the
civil
ruling.
aviation.
I am giving the ruling.
कितने
Are
ruling
you
speaker
here?
sir?
I am giving the ruling.
कितने ruling?
Yeah.
Ruling कितने?
See, I agree. Just I am reading the letter of the honorable health minister. That he is
Letter winner काय
unwell.
नागा? Action sir.
That's why.
Speaker sir, you fix
I know
responsibilities.
I know it.
तुका power असा to fix responsibilities.
See, I am giving the ruling. Are you ready to hear it? My ruling.
Fix the responsibilities because the last session
That's why I am giving the ruling.
तू सांगता health minister बरा ना मानता सीएम आक रिप्लाय दिवनी।
That's why I am giving the ruling. I am giving the ruling for that.
सांग ruling कितने रे?
Yes. It is inherent and inalienable right of a member of this house to seek and elicit information from the government in order to discharge his duties as enjoined by the Constitution. When a minister seeks postponement under Rule 49(2) of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business on the grounds that it is not possible to collect the information in time as is too detailed, I have to allow it. Therefore, I request the members should not ask questions that are too detailed because it has not to be collated and given within the time limit. Also, the minister should verify on the accuracy of the information tabled because ultimately the minister is held responsible personally for the reply submitted.
कसं काय कोणा तुझे
When the minister postpones the reply to a question
सांगता ते काहीच
without
कळना.
any reason, I cannot accept it. It is a member's right to seek information. Though I cannot compel the minister to reply to the questions, I may advise the members to rely on the other remedies unable to address the issue. The minister, if he does not wish to reply or withhold the information in public interest, he should rely on Rule 49(3)
Should resign.
of the
Correct. He
Rules
should
of
resign.
Procedure and state the same.
Should
If the
resign,
government
Malala.
withholds information on ground of
Should resign,
public interest,
Malala.
the chair must accept the position.
Should resign.
Postponement of replies to question without any reason is not acceptable and the minister may note the same.
because sir तुम्ही आता म्हणला if he is not available he should resign म्हणून।
I have not said resign.
किती म्हणला?
No, I have not said
मग
resign.
काहीच कोणा तुम्ही किती सांगला ते?
I agree. See, under 309,
49 to किती सांगता speaker sir?
under 309, you cannot challenge the
दशा
decision of the
केल्या
speaker.
दशा डेमोक्रेसीची केल्या दशा या मुख्यमंत्र्यान।
House is adjourned up to 12:30.
House is adjourned.